Let's take a Thai and experience at Holiday Inn Express and Suites.
Good afternoon! Now, it's Saturday and we're going to have a staycation dito sa Singapore. It's our first time ng staycation kasama si Michelle. Yeah, so, simple lang naman yung pupuntahan namin. Actually, pumili lang kami ng medyo mura-mura na okay naman din yung service sa Holiday Inn Express sa tayo. Mamaya, papakita namin sa inyo yung more details. Ay, samahan nyo kami. Medyo maulan nga ngayon eh. Teka lang. Ayan, maulan no? Kanina binuhos na yung ulan eh. Ayan, daddy niya. Oh, taga-buhat. Ako naman kay MP. Ayan, so, samahan nyo kami sa aming short journey. One night trip. Until tomorrow. Bye! Daddy! Daddy! Hi! And Daddy. Ang mukyo. Happy? Daddy! Hey! Let's go! 4 to 5, where are you? Where are you? Oh! 4 to 2, 4 to 4. Oh! Oh! No! Oh, nandyan lang yung 4 to 5, Daddy. 4 to 5. 4 to 5 daw eh. Oh! Yun pala.
Michelle, open.
Open! Going na. Wow! Michelle, are you happy?
Yeah.
Akin na kami. Ayan, di ba? Ayan. Okay siya, di ba? Oh, wait lang. Wait lang. Ayan. Ganda ng ano nila, yung mga sabon nila. Matatry natin yan mamaya. Tanin! Michelle! Happy! Ayan. Ganda kasi may refill na siya ng water dito. Hindi na kami mahirapan bumili ng tubig. Are you happy? Okay, let's go!
Daddy, whistle.
Say hi! Hello! Are you happy? Daddy, picture kayo? One. Michelle. One. Michelle. Hi! Video tsaka picture. Yan. 4th floor swimming pool. And gym. Okay. Michelle, kain. Thank you, Daddy. Bigay ni Daddy. Tchanin! Ulit mo. One more time.
Okay.
Goodbye. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.